Morning, DWN YKX. So right now, nandito tayo sa UPIS for the World Thinking Day. On air, here, Diliman. So the team, nag-ingress kami mga 6:10, 6 o'clock. So currently, it's what, 6:57. And nakaset up na kami in 2 meters. 40-meter dipole ni 4 Echo Zero Delta ni Dons. By the way, lahat kami off-grid. So, ito yung 2 meter. So, I'm using an FTM 510. Tapos, naka-tripod yung mobile antenna. So, there. Ito naman yung dipole, wire dipole ni Dons. So currently siya, chinek namin sa Nano VNA 1.2. Sorry, si Birch is walking around to check. So yan, we'll walk dito sa setup ni Dons. So sa Christian, tinitingnan. Christian, kumusta? Oo, tsaka lahat tayo off-grid. Kaya napapansin mo, batteries lang. Oo, tsaka mabilis. Kaka-practice. So, yan. So, off-grid tayo. Wow! Okay, may speaker. I think, thanks to the UPIS staff. Meron pa tayong PA system. Ano yan, Benny? Ano yung sinasabit mo? Ano yan? For 40 meter, 15? For 80? Multiband.
Nylon, I thought mas matibay, madaling maputol.
Okay yan, part ng learning natin yan. So for now, yun na muna tayo. So, we'll update you later again. Peace. Andre, tsaka si Mike 4G1 FCI. Or I1 FCI. Tingnan natin kung ano. Oh, may early bird. Magpapa-wild tayo. Dito, Andre, ito set up mo.
So, I have my SBB7 2 meter 70 centimeter antenna.
Okay.
And then I'm using the K2 FTX 400, FTM 400 U and V. And then I am powered by a FlashFish lithium-ion battery.
Oh. Sabi ko nga kanina, lahat tayo off-grid.
Off-grid.
So, walang no need for, hindi tayo dependent sa sa external power. So, okay tayo. So, you'll be back.
So, for now, malakas daw siya ng 5.